Scot, you're at Cisco, and earlier on today's panel you were talking about how Cisco in the UK works with a number of scale-up companies here. How exactly do you work with them? Do you invest in them? Do you partner? Do you nurture them? What's the relationship there?
And we do all of the above is the honest answer to that. So we work with both Manchester Science Park in our new venture that will be opening next week in the Bright Building in Manchester, and we work with UCL and EDF Energy here in London, where we have a facility in Shoreditch. And in both cases, we work with our partners through the university side of the house, and we look for interesting startups that are post the accelerator stage, and bringing them in to how we can help them get through scaling their business. And we look to offer more than just a check. We look to offer guidance and insight into how they might think about their business plans going forward. Some of them we then will take and distribute their products. We have a very interesting one called Hoxton Analytics that looks at footfall analysis by taking photos of people's shoes. And others we kind of provide guidance more than anything else.
And are there any particular sectors of the technology market that you focus on in terms of partnering with these companies, or is it just anybody in the digital realm?
Each centre for us has a different theme. It's more web-based down here in London, with EDF Energy now joining the team and the consortium. Actually, we've got a strong focus, obviously, on energy and IoT associated with energy. In Manchester, we're looking at smart cities as one of the key themes that we're playing at, because Manchester is the primary city in the UK for establishing with Innovate UK the business case for smart cities.
Interesting. And does this spread throughout the UK? Have you got pods in Scotland as well, maybe Northern Ireland?
A little smaller. We have one with Stirling University, focused particularly around the power network, because they do a lot of work around establishing what are the standards for power generation and transmission. And we're looking at the moment at Wales and what are the opportunities there. And this is over and above what we do naturally as investors in startups in the UK. If Cisco stood alone, its corporate venture arm would be actually the 5th largest corporate venture in the world.
Wow.
So it kind of gives you some idea.
That's some real global scale
of the other side
of
the scale.
And just finally, you also mentioned that one of the big challenges at the moment in terms of moving things on is the skills, the skills that people have and how that needs to adapt. Is there a major skill set that is currently lacking in the overall workforce that needs to start being implemented from the school level? Is it around understanding data and analytics, or is it is there any key theme?
Data is the new oil, and so we do need people understanding data and data analysis skills far more effectively. But it is across the board. Its basic networking skills are missing in the wider workforce. Very specific skills around cyber. Even as the largest security company in the world, we have to work really hard to recruit the key talent in individuals, because there hasn't been the base. So there's real opportunities for individuals, but also for improving the productivity of the wider economy by getting some of those investments and skill levels up.
Excellent. Scot, great to talk to you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.